We begin with dangerous storms sweeping across the south, bringing possible tornadoes in the darkness. Extensive damage is being reported in New Orleans, in a parish about 60 miles north of New Orleans. Officials say at least 3 people are hurt, but the injuries are mostly minor cuts. A toddler and a baby were rescued from an overturned mobile home, but they appear to be okay. Earlier, this system also caused flash flooding in Arkansas, the rising water damaging homes and forcing multiple highways to close. Let's get an update now on this system from NBC meteorologist Angie Lassman. Angie, good morning.
Good morning, guys. We're seeing some improvements here. We're going to continue to see the potential for at least some severe weather through the day today, but it looks like that tornado threat is going to be minimal. You can see just how expansive this system is. It's going to be the same one that brings folks in the Midwest some snow, and even into portions of the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic we'll deal with some showers. But how about those severe weather conditions for parts of the South? We're still going to see those remain. Not all that impressive. Marginal risk for both areas of the Midwest as well as along the Gulf Coast. And along the Gulf Coast, we'll have just an isolated tornado chance possible through at least the afternoon hours. Isolated hail as well, about 1 inch or larger. And then those wind gusts will again be on the table for 60 miles per hour or higher. Another additional aspect of this is that we will once again be seeing some of that heavy rain. So that will leave us with some flood potential through the day today as well, guys.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.